Introducing first, he is the special guest referee of this match and the dumbest piece of garbage I have ever met
well, that's
in
nice.
my entire package. In my entire life, ladies and gentlemen, Mario Wolf. Congratulations. You decided to screw me over again. Thank you. How you doing, Wolf? And introducing next.
Introducing next, representing the UCWF, Joey Guns, Hazard, Joey Guns, Hurricane J, and Jimmy Cruz. Kicked him out of ringside. Introducing next, from Long Island, New York, Matt Vertigo. What the hell?
Oh my God!
It's Nick Nitro!
I'm marking out!
You have to be kidding me!
What's Nitro doing here?
We haven't seen him in years!
Nitro hasn't wrestled in 2 years. He shouldn't be competing.
You had to be kidding me! And the UCWF is not too happy about this one! Oh my goodness! Nick Nitro is a surprise partner of Vertigo!
He's a hack. He's a hazard. Get him out of here. He doesn't deserve to be
The UCWF is not too happy, and here we go! Oh, a double cross body to start this match!
Nick Nitro right now must be questioning if he still has it. Does he still have it? Let's find out right here, right now.
I can't believe that Nick Nitro is back after 2 years!
2 years of wrestling, this guy just walks in, thinks he can call it, and take what he deserves. It's ridiculous.
And that is the lovely voice of Cassius Chaos joining me on commentary.
Yep, that's me.
And here we go, Nitro first time back in 2 years in the ring. What will he have? Oh, and the champ Jimmy Cruz is not favoring too well.
He's the past, he's Nature Relic. He was an IXW. What the hell was IXW?
Oh, what a move. Nice neck breaker.
IXW's golden boy. And you know what? He failed to save IXW from the hands of UCWF. They single-handedly destroyed that entire company, and Nitro couldn't do a damn thing to save it.
Oh, it looks like he may want some revenge here tonight. As he whips Cruz into the ropes. Reversal.
It's a good time for Kid to go for revenge. 2 years later, he finally decides, hey, you know what? I think I'm going to get revenge.
I am still in shock that he has returned here tonight.
He's probably...
Oh, rolls him up. 1, 2.
That's it, Jimmy.
count.
It's done.
And as you can see, Cassius Chaos rooting for the UCWF here.
Well, I just want to make it known that, you know, I may not like the UCWF.
Oh, big slam. I'll tell you what, the UCWF in control right now.
Do or die?
Do or die, yes, that's correct.
I'm glad that he doesn't live by that lifestyle. Actually, you know what? I wish I could. I just want to make a quick reference that this is the second time I'm on commentary for the night. The first time being when I whooped Joe Della's ass. So I just want to make sure everyone knows that.
Yeah, we saw that. As Della picked up the win. And a kick out.
Come on.
As we see Hurricane.
Slow count on Wolf's part. Screw me over in that match.
after getting involved before. And it doesn't seem like he's coming back as UCWF. It seems like Nick Nitro showing some effects early after not being in the ring for an absence of 2 years. Oh, and a blatant poke to the eyes. And Wolf having some leeway here. Oh.
Nitro, you know what the thing about him is he doesn't have it anymore. You know, 2 years back, I was a young star.
Oh.
You know what? Maybe not back then Nitro had it. Maybe then I could actually.
Oh, the Billy Goat's curse. Oh, what a move here. Oh, what a move by Nitro. You have to eat your words, partner. It seems like...
That takes a good deal of strength, and for a little guy such as Nick Nitro, I mean, I'm definitely not the Undertaker, so...
I'll tell you what, Nitro's only 195 pounds. He's not heavy whatsoever. Here comes Vertigo in there. Nice suplex there on Cruz. Big knee. 1, 2. Oh, and Hurricane getting involved.
See, now that was smart. I like that. That was a smart move. I would have done that.
It's a blatant interference.
Only stop his tag team partner from getting eliminated. I mean, not that Jimmy Cruz would have a hard time with it.
And it looks like Cruz is playing the race card here. Oh, big shoulder tackles in the ropes there by Cruz. Looking to wear down. Reversal there. Vertigo with a big clothesline.
You know, whose idea was it to take these two?
Well, I believe Vertigo picked his own partner. It was a mystery. We did not know earlier on in the show. And a DDT there. And a kick out. I agree with you on that one. There is maybe you should go back to first grade then. That's what I thought. And Vertigo off the ropes. Springboard moonsault. Oh! But Cruz gets the knees up. This is the turning point right now.
At least one person thinks so.
And Hurricane taking to this matchup. Taking advantage. Nice belly to belly slam. And a kick out.
And that's great. We should have actually wrestled.
High flying's part of the game though, don't you think? Alright. And Hurricane being very cocky here. Series of elbows here. Yes. I'll give you your credit there. That was a great contest. The crowd trying to get Vertigo back into the matchup. Here comes Cruz. Vertigo into the ropes. Oh, big shot there by Hurricane. And here comes Cruz with a nice double team move. And another double team. Oh! A sidewalk slam leg drop combo. What a move by the brothers. 1, 2. 2 count. Vertigo needs to do something to get back to this matchup or try and make a tag to Nick Nitro. And Vertigo getting back to this matchup. Oh, that's nice to say. And Vertigo right back in here with a big clothesline. Nice elbow there. Big drop kick. Oh, a big flip there. Oh my God. Knocking out both members of the UCWF. Both of them down. I'll tell you what, he's got advantage in the matchup. Why not take advantage of it right now after that move? 1, 2. You may not like high flying, but you know what? He's in control right now.
I don't like high flying. I just don't like the people that do high flying. Like Matt Vertigo, like Nick Nitro, like
Well, you obviously think you're better than them. Oh! And the ref having to restrain Nick Nitro. And another double team. I'll give the UCWF credit. They know how to. They are a very good tandem here.
He's not doing anything about it. Nitro's not doing a damn thing about it because there's not a damn thing about it.
Oh, we're marking on the left leg. Vertigo desperately needs to make a tag. Desperately needs to make a tag. But he, oh! Hurricane should be more focused on Vertigo instead of the crowd. Tag to his partner.
But see, that's smart. That's smart. Hurricane's getting in their heads. At the end of this.
Oh, leg split.
Of course, because I'm one of them.
Of course.
Hurricane J for that
1, 2, and a kick out by Vertigo. He desperately needs to make a tag.
I'm going to give it to Vertigo on that one.
Well, it's about time you gave some credit to him.
Well, the only thing is, if the team learn how to wrestle, that'd be great. All over the place, I'd be happy.
I can't wait to see when Nick Nitro gets back in the ring. 1, 2, oh, and almost a quick roll up. Can't wait to see when Nick Nitro gets back in the ring, what you have to say about him.
Nick Nitro, look at him. Nick Nitro is still winded. Jimmy sucks. Jimmy sucks.
And part of the crowd not liking Jimmy Cruz.
Jimmy sucks. Jimmy sucks.
I don't know. Oh, nice move there. Oh, into a neck breaker there. That looked like the sudden case of Vertigo right there. Vertigo needs to make a tag over to Nitro. Will Nitro get back into this match? Both men crawling towards the corner. Here it is, and a tag to Nitro, and here comes Hurricane. Oh, big clothesline there. What has he got him on? And up, oh, big suplex. Oh, and a big flip. Nice senton bomb right there, 1, 2, and a kick out.
Doesn't have it, he can't do it. He can flip,
I don't know what you're watching, but he seems to be in control.
Oh, what did he do? Flipping. He did a one-liner. Congratulations. That's the most work he's done for you.
Oh, and a big spear. That could be all.
That was a beautiful spear.
Oh, and Cruz getting involved.
Jimmy was smart enough to get involved.
I'll tell you what, he is smart.
Jimmy was smart enough to get involved. Come on, Jimmy. Come on, we gotta take this guy out.
Nice 1, 2, and a kick out by Nick Nitro. Has a rest hold here trying to ground Nitro, and that's not a bad idea. As you said, he is a high flyer, so getting him away from the aerial game will only make a UCWF win more assured. And the crowd chanting on Nitro. I'm gonna call you someone. You need a hearing aid. You really do. I don't know what building you were in, but
I was in this building. I was screwed out of this. The second time I was screwed out of a match with Joe Della.
You know what? I will give you that one. I will give you that one. Your foot was on the ropes, but the 3 count is a 3 count.
Just like his feet were on the ropes last time. I guess it only applies to me though, not to him. Strike that, reverse that.
Nitro looking for something here.
This is good. Come on, Nitro.
Using his going back to the high flying game. Nitro, what does he have in mind? Oh, and a big double axe handle. Cruz is down, Nitro's down.
You're
You're absolutely right there. But no pinfall there, so we don't know if that would have gotten the job done. Oh, and a blatant kick there by the UCWF member Hurricane. Oh, Vertigo over the ropes.
Getting the job done. Nitro, call Mr. Do or Die.
That's gotta be it. Oh, that's it. That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it. The Cruz Smasher. 1, 2, 3, and it's all over. Here are your winners, Hurricane J and Jimmy Cruz, the UCWF.
Nitro had fun 2 years ago, doing whatever he was doing. That's where it's at. That's where it's at.
Well, I'll tell you what, you're right about that. As the UCWF picking up their win tonight. As Nick Nitro showing some ring rust after being out of the ring for 2 years. And Vertigo making this.
Vertigo doesn't have what it takes, neither does Nitro. That's it. That's all I'm saying.
We'll see what happens.